So today I'm here to talk to you about cats, specifically painting cats. My inspiration, Tucker, and his sister Riley may come in later to entertain us. Setting this one down. So yes, cats. I do them quite often in my artwork, and I thought I'd share with you my process of creating cats, and you can follow along. Maybe you can create some cats of your own while we're painting here. And yeah, let's have fun. Before I start that though, I wanted to mention that I have a new group on Facebook called the Daily Creating Group. And I'd love for you to join. There's no pressure in this group. It's a very positive group, a group that's just about experimenting, playing, spending 2 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, 3 hours a day, working on your art, whatever that may be, and sharing it with the group and supporting each other on our journeys. So I hope you join in. I'll put the link below in the comments area. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love it if you subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. And as always, I'd love your comments, questions below. And with that said, let's make some cats. I was originally going to do more than one color on these cats, but I've decided that I kind of like just this single color. I might come in with some other colors after it dries. We never know until it happens. At this point in the painting process, sometimes the shapes I'm making are not my favorite, and I'll get some thinking around, oh, I just screwed this up, or I don't like that shape, or thinking that somehow I did something wrong. And I just don't pay attention to those thoughts. I just keep playing with the paint and creating cats or whatever the thing is that's happening, and know that those thoughts will pass and the next indicated thing will happen. So as I move along, these things kind of iron themselves out. And if they don't, it's no loss. I'm just painting. I could paint another one. I could enjoy how it feels to have something not go right. I don't know. It's all okay. By the way, somebody has joined me. Hello, Tucker. It's nice to have a model right in front of me. I'm kind of fond of putting cats and birds together, since they're really good examples of things that can start as a blob and become something. So we'll play with that now. As you're creating your artwork, you know, whatever happens is just part of the process of creating. There's a lot of surprises that happen when we're creating. Some of them don't feel great, others feel pretty awesome. It feels like to me when I'm working like this that I'm kind of exploring and things are showing up, and it's kind of happy surprises, and sometimes they're just surprises. And either way is okay. So I just keep going no matter what is happening in the moment. I think I'm done with the painting part. I'm going to give it a little dry, and then I'll move on with the rest of the drawing part of this video. I'm going to add in the whites of the eyes now, and I use an acrylic marker for this. Because these are acrylic, you can mark on top of the watercolor without a lot of bleed through. I will link to all the supplies that I'm using in the comments below. While I'm waiting for that white pen and the remainder of the paint to dry, I'm going to come in with my black pen. I'll link in the comments below. Nothing says cats like yarn and birds. So I've got all my pen details on for now. More may show up as we go along. But now I'm going to add a little bit more watercolor back in. A little bit of fine line white pen. Dryer heat. Getting pretty close to being done now. Okay, there you have it. Blobs that became cats. At some point I might actually do some blobby shapes that really don't look like anything to begin with, and then create something out of them. These kind of got shaped as they went, so it wasn't really truly a blob to a cat. But I think you get the idea. I'm so glad you guys joined me for this painting time. I'd love to see what you guys paint, so if you want to join the daily creating group, you can post things there. Also, please post any comments or questions below in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll talk to you soon.